Welcome, my dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter in economics, that is profile of Indian agricultural rural development. Okay, so let's start with role of agriculture in India. Role of agriculture in Indian economy. Okay, no doubt economic development is generally associated with the industrializations. That is why concerned efforts have been made for industrialization in India during 5-year plans. Nevertheless, agricultural process progress is normally regarded as prerequisites of growth of an economy. It is in view of that agriculture development is an essential part of the strategy of planned economic development in India. So, definitely the role of agriculture is very important for our country because approximate 50% population of India employed on agriculture and approximate 12% of contribution in national income. Although it is not much contribution to the national income is 12%, but 50% of population is dependent on agriculture. Yes, the very important role of agriculture in Indian economy. Okay, and the importance of agriculture in Indian economy is indicated through the following facts. Let's understand one by one. First one is, that is share in national income. Share in national income. The agriculture sector contribute a significant proportion of the national income of India. Despite of continuous decrease in the share of the agricultural sector, India's national income is still contribute sizable proportion of national income of the country. So, the share of national income in agriculture, which is very high in the national income, even though it has decreased. It was 12% in 2012-13, and 2015-16 it was 10% decrease, but also high. Second one is source of unemployment. Yes, this is the very important rule, that is source of employment, because agriculture is the main source of livelihood in India. Yes, it provides employment to an overwhelming majority of the working population in a country. 49% of workforce was dependent upon agriculture and allied in 2011-12. So, employment in agriculture is very high in rural areas. Most people employed in agriculture through it has decreased because people shifted from agriculture to service and industry sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. That is why the dependency on agriculture decreased. It was 70% at the time of independence. Now currently approximate 49%. Okay. Next one is provision of food grains. This is also very most important role of agricultural in Indian economy. In a developing country such as India, where a very large proportion of income is spent on food and the population increase rapidly, the demand of grains has been increased fast rate. So in a developing countries like India, where population is rapidly growing, food grains की demand is also rapidly growing. So it is very important to provision for food grains at a place, because of which our country so importance दिया भी गया, जिसकी वजह से हमारी country self dependent today's in terms of food grains. Yes. And next one is supply of raw material. Agriculture plays an important role in developing and industrial sector. It not only meets the food grain requirement, the national industrial workers, but also provide raw material for number of agro industries such as cotton, textile, jute industry, sugar industry, vanaspat industry, food production industry, etc. So see, using raw material is make final product. No industry can produce anything without raw material. So raw material comes from primary sectors, that is agricultural sector. So just like for cotton industries, cotton, and for sugar industries, sugar cane. Yes. So raw material supply is also very important role play करता है इंडियन इकोनॉमी में, रूरल डेवलपमेंट. ओके.